Day 374. Rain sucks. It's been raining every day for like the last week lately now. Besides, we had these nice sunny the weekend, these past 2 days, but I feel like we just had a lot of rain, and it just sucks. We need warmer weather. We need summer to come. Man, tired of the cold weather. Tired of it. Tired of the rain. Want nice sunny days, beach days. Summertime. Hate this. I hate doing this. It's so cold every day, man. Every day. One more minute. One more. This is brutal. This is worse than working out. Working out is the easy part. Diet is the second. Is the hardest part too.